And this is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to install this Glass Morphism theme on your Windows 11 computer. I'll show you step by step how to install this Explorer styler, how to install the start menu and taskbar as well. Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to give your Windows 11 a new glass look. This tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to install this new Glass Morphism theme on your Windows 11 computer. I'll show you step by step. First, you have to download this folder. Links are given in the description box. After downloaded, first you have to apply the wallpaper and choose whatever wallpaper you want. Just right click on it and then click on set as desktop background. Okay, after that you have to download and install this tool called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. Just download and install it. Make sure you have connected to the internet. It may require internet to complete the installation process. After that, you will see an interface like this. Then first click on browse for mods. And first of all, we're going to install Windows 11 File Explorer styler. Click on details and install it. Then go to this folder and go to Windhawk mods folder. First, we're going to copy this Explorer styler mods and then open Windhawk, go to advanced section and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to apply the blur effect. To apply the blur effect, you can use this tool called Blur Mica, or you can try this mods called translucent windows. Just search for translucent windows, click on details and install it as well. Just install it. It will apply the blur effect automatically. And now we're going to install the start menu and taskbar styler. Click on Explorer. First, install Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details. Install it. And go to this folder again. And copy this taskbar styler script. Then open Windhawk. Click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Now we have to install another tool called taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it as well. Then close it and open this folder again. Go to Windhawk folder and open taskbar height and icon size script. Copy the complete script and then go to advanced section and paste it here. Click on save. Okay, now we have to install Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and install it as well. And open this start menu styler and copy this complete script. Then click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. And this is it. This is how we can transform your default Windows 11 into a Glass Morphism Windows 11. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.